Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make an image smaller in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. I'll change this image size and I'll reduce this image size or smaller. Click on this home option, this menu bar, and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this image and select, and here you will find this format option. Now you can change this image size and make it 200 height and wide. I'll make 300 and press enter. And see this image size now change and smaller. Also you can smaller this image. Put your mouse cursor this point and you can increase or decrease this image size manually and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can increase or decrease in image size. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.